temperature because of the rubber and the latex closing your body, and you're sweating like an idiot. I think I lose 3 kilos at least. It's crazy.
It was nice what I did. I liked it very much, but when you are getting older and your head is changing, there is a moment, such as actors, they have to go off the stage. They reach their time. And I think it's for me the same, that it is finished, that it's over.
I'm gonna